Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Tasks with Gmail for focused to-dos, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account on your computer. Look for the side panel on the right side of your screen. Locate the Google Tasks icon, which looks like a check mark inside a circle. If you don't see it, click on the small arrow or the Show Side Panel option. Click the Google Tasks icon to open the Tasks window. To create a new task, click on the Add a Task field at the bottom of the Tasks window. Type your first to-do item in the text box. Press Enter to save the task. To add more tasks, repeat the previous two steps. You can also organize tasks by clicking on the three vertical dots next to each task. Here, you can add details or set a date and time for deadlines. If you want to create a subtask, hover over the main task and click the Add a Subtask option. Type in the subtask and hit Enter to save it. To mark a task as complete, click the checkbox next to the task. To view your tasks while composing an email, keep the Tasks panel open. You can easily switch back to Gmail by clicking on the Gmail icon in the side panel. To edit an existing task, hover over it and click on the pencil icon. Make your changes and press Enter to save them. If you want to delete a task, hover over it and click on the trash can icon. You can also rearrange tasks by clicking and dragging them to your preferred order. To create a new list, click on the drop-down arrow next to My Tasks. Choose Create New List and give it a name. Once you have multiple lists, you can switch between them at any time. After you complete your tasks, review the remaining items to stay organized. With Google Tasks integrated into Gmail, managing your to-dos becomes efficient and straightforward. Utilize this tool regularly to enhance your productivity and focus on what matters most. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.